we're going.
Hi friends! It has been a while since I introduced some new books that we have received at the library. These are newly published titles that we have just cataloged and are now available to check out. So if you are the baking type, if you like to work in the kitchen, the Big Fun Kids Baking Book, this is a great cookbook. Make sure you have an adult around, but it's got lots of great recipes. Banana bread, yum. And this is gonna be good for those cold days coming up. We also have two new titles to the Magic Treehouse series. So we have Camp Time in California and Late Lunch with Llamas. These are the two newest titles in this series, and we've got them both here for you if you're interested. This is called Sherlock Bones and the Sea Creature Feature. This is a early reader graphic novel, and if you like mysteries, this is going to be the book for you. It takes place in a museum, so that'll be a lot of fun. This book is called Hollowpox, and it is the third in a series called the Nevermore series. It's awesome young fantasy fiction, so if you really like fantasy, that will definitely be a book you'll want to read. And I know that summer has already come to an end, but we got this great book about how the Frisbee was invented called Flip: How the Frisbee Took Flight. We love our nonfiction titles here. Some of the best stories are in the nonfiction section. And so, yeah, just come and check them out. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed these new titles that we've got here for you at the library. Remember, we get new titles in all the time, every week. So come in and check out the library today, and you'll probably find some great books that you'll want to read. All right, we'll see you, friends. Bye.